Notion is a great productivity app. Once you pair it with time tracking, you'll really take your productivity to the next level. Tracking time in Notion is really quick. You just click a button to start tracking time, once more to stop, and later you can see all sorts of data like how your day really looks like, which activities took the longest, and how much money you've earned. Let's go over step by step how to set up time tracking in Notion. To start tracking time in Notion, you'll need Clockify. Clockify is a standalone time tracker that integrates with Notion, and best of all, it's completely free. First, head over to clockify.me's website and create a free account. Next, go to Chrome Web Store and install the Clockify extension, which is also available for Firefox and Edge. Now open the extension, click Login, and Chrome will recognize that you're already logged in on the website and your account will automatically be ready for tracking. If you want to start tracking directly from Notion, open any workspace or specific tasks list. Select a task you wish to track and you'll see the Start Timer button in the top right corner. When you click on it, the timer will start ticking. If you notice the extension changed from grey to blue, it means a timer is running. Here, you'll see a task name that Clockify automatically picked up from Notion. You'll also have an option to add a project or a tag and mark the task as billable. A timer can also be started by selecting a text, right-clicking on it and selecting the Start Timer with description. You can stop the timer in the same way you started it by going back to Notion and clicking on the Stop Timer button in the top right corner. Once you stop the timer, a time entry will be saved and appear here in the list. If you forgot to start the timer, you can add time manually by switching to manual mode in the extension and entering the duration and all the other information like this. Because Clockify is synced across all devices, you can also stop or start the timer on your mobile, web, or desktop app. Track tasks will be saved in Clockify even if you delete them in Notion. Once installed, you will also be able to start the timer directly from the extension. If you insert a task description and all the necessary information, click Start. It will continue tracking until you finish the task and stop the timer. The extension also comes with useful shortcuts available in Settings. In the list, you'll be able to set default projects, reminders, enable idle detection, Pomodoro timer, and more. Clockify's web version offers a lot more features. There you can manage projects, invite users, set up hourly rates, and run reports. Reports let you check all the hours you and your team tracked on Notion tasks and projects. You can filter data, select different date ranges, and group it by date or user. Finally, here you can export any report as PDF or Excel, or share it with anyone via a link so they can see progress in real time. If you have a team, you can invite them here by typing their email address so they can start tracking time in your account. You can also set up hourly rates for projects and members and see in reports how much money each project brought or how much time you spent on non-billable activities. To learn more about Clockify and how to set up rates, run reports, and take advantage of some of the more advanced time tracking features, be sure to check out our other videos.